The weather has gotten very dry and it's time to switch up your moisturizer to something thick and nourishing, and this is why in today's video I will be sharing 14 different moisturizer for different skin types. And most of these winter moisturizer, they have, like, of course, skin nourishing and moisturizing property, but additionally they do have some specific skin function, and I will tell you everything about it as I mention each of these moisturizer. And before we further dive into this video, I want to mention that if you have normal dry combination, or maybe like combination to little oily skin, and you just prefer something thick and nourishing for the winter time, then continue watching this video. And in case if you have like oily to very oily skin and you prefer something lightweight even during the winter time, then jump to the second half of this video, and for that you can find the timestamp at the bottom of the video, like somewhere here. So click on that part of the video and you can continue watching the video. So at first, for the normal dry and combination skin, I will be sharing 3 skin barrier friendly or skin barrier repairing winter moisturizer. And the first moisturizer that I want to mention is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream. Now this cream has that thick nourishing texture. It spreads onto the skin very easily. It absorbs really well without that sticky or heavy feeling on the skin. And when it comes to the ingredient list, it does contain some really amazing ingredients. Like, it contains 5 different types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin. It also contains ceramide, fatty acid and cholesterol to repair your skin barrier. And overall the ingredient list is really good. It doesn't contain any fragrance or essential oil. So if you are in a lookout for a moisturizer which is hydrating, nourishing and skin barrier friendly, that is, it helps in repairing your skin barrier, then this is something you should absolutely check out during this winter time. And the second winter moisturizer for damaged skin that I really want to recommend is the Illune Ceramide Artho Cream. And I don't think this product needs an introduction. Like, this is one of my favorite moisturizer to repair the skin barrier. But if you are new to my channel, let me tell you why I love this. So if you look at the texture of this product, it has that thick and nourishing texture, and when you apply this cream on your skin, it actually doesn't feel sticky or heavy at all, like for that thick texture. When you massage this cream onto your skin, these beads melt down and completely get absorbed into your skin, and this is that part of the cream, you know, which effectively delivers all the needed ingredients to your skin. Like, if you look at the ingredient list of this moisturizer, it really doesn't contain any fancy ingredient. Very simple and very to the point ingredient list. It contains fatty acid, cholesterol and of course ceramide to repair your skin barrier. And if you have noticed, it does not contain any essential oil, it does not contain any fragrance, it does not even contain any kind of carrier oil. And just in case, like, if you're like, Shelly, I'm not able to get my hands on this Illune cream, I need something which is good enough but is locally available and I can get it easily in India, then you should definitely check out the Innisfree Derma Green Tea Probiotic Repairing Moisture Barrier Cream. In short, let's call it as Innisfree Barrier Cream. This is how I call it. So this also has very simple ingredient list. It does not contain any essential oil, it does not even contain any carrier oil, it is fragrance free and has the ceramide, fatty acid and cholesterol in it to repair your skin barrier. So it is like quite a good enough product to repair your skin barrier. And if I tell you the difference between this and the Illune cream, there are only 2 differences. Number one, this is quite heavy on skin when compared to the Illune one, and this is why it takes little extra time to completely sink into your skin. And secondly, like, if I talk about the performance, this takes more time in repairing your skin barrier than the Illune cream. But just in case, like, you know, you are in hurry, you don't have the time or you don't have the patience to get the Illune cream, then this is something you can of course check out. So in this next segment, I will be recommending or sharing 3 amazing winter moisturizer that are perfect for skin which is like completely dried out and is irritated. So this is something you're looking out for, then continue watching this part of the video. And the first moisturizer in this segment is the Etude House Sunjung 2X Barrier Cream. Now this is another product which I have mentioned so many times on this channel. I really do love it for my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, mainly because, you know, whenever my skin is like confused, it's irritated, it's dried out completely, and I don't want to take the risk of testing out new product, and this is the product for me. Because when you see the ingredient list of this product, it does not contain anything extra. It only contains what is needed in calming and nourishing the skin. It contains sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is a really good ingredient to moisturize the skin, to protect your skin barrier. So yeah, amazing ingredient. And secondly, it does contain madecassoside, and madecassoside is the Centella asiatica bioactive derivative, so it helps in calming and healing your skin. And the next moisturizer which I want to mention in this segment is the Laneige Cica sleeping mask. Now I know this is a sleeping mask and is to be used only in the night time, but the ingredient list of this Laneige Cica sleeping mask really does not contain anything which would make it unsuitable for the daily or daytime usage. It mainly contains, you know, shea butter to, of course, moisturize and nourish your skin. It also contains various centella derivative to calm your skin, and it does contain tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a really good ingredient to calm down your acne and, of course, your skin. And tea tree oil, but tea tree oil is the essential oil, and the second essential oil it contains is some martini something. In case like if you don't have an issue with these two essential oil, definitely check out this product for the winter time as your regular winter moisturizer. It's a fab product in nourishing and calming your skin. And the third moisturizer in this segment is the Cosrx Balancium Ceramide Cream. I think this is the name. I have used it, I think 2 years back or something. I don't have the tube with me at the moment. So this moisturizer is again really good. It has that thick, nourishing, viscous texture. Feels very nourishing and nice on the skin during this winter time. It contains mainly, you know, Centella asiatica leaf water and also Centella bioactive derivatives to calm your skin. It additionally contains ceramide and fatty acid to help protect your skin barrier. If you are looking out for a moisturizer which is nourishing, calming and protects your skin barrier, like this moisturizer really is not that effective in repairing the damaged skin barrier, but if you are looking out for something which would help in maintaining that healthy skin barrier, like know the difference. When your skin is like completely damaged, you need something more intensive and more functional. But when your skin has like, you know, completely healed, and some of us, you know, have skin type which is always prone to getting damaged or dried out easily, and you need something for the maintenance purpose, then this is the moisturizer for you. So next I will be sharing winter moisturizer for completely dried out and dull skin, and the first moisturizer in this segment is the Dr. Ciracle Vita Propolis Cream. Now this is the new product which I have never introduced on my channel, and I'm doing it today. So this moisturizer mainly contains propolis extract. It also contains, you know, niacinamide. It does contain 1% ethyl ascorbic acid, which is the vitamin C derivative, and of course it has other skin moisturizing, nourishing oils in it. And the texture of this cream is really viscous. Like from all the moisturizer that I have mentioned in today's video and I will be mentioning in today's video, this has the most rich texture. So if you are like, no, this Dr. Ciracle moisturizer contain fragrance in it, I need something 100% fragrance free and essential oil free, then the next product is for you. And the product is the Cosrx Rice Sleeping Mask. Again, this product literally needs no introduction, but since I am mentioning it in this video, I have to mention few basic things about it. So it mainly contains, you know, rice extract, and rice extract is a really good ingredient to brighten up your skin and to protect your skin barrier. And of course it does contain 2% of niacinamide. Niacinamide is a good ingredient to calm your skin and to brighten up your skin, and 2% strength is fairly tolerated by most of the skin types, so it shouldn't be a problem. So now I will be mentioning winter moisturizer for oily to very oily skin, and all these moisturizer comparatively have very lightweight texture texture, and most of these moisturizers fall into the category of, you know, like gel cream sort of texture. And again, I will be sharing moisturizer for oily skin which is like damaged or irritated or needs something to add that glow on your skin, literally in the same way what I have done for the dry skin people. So first I will be sharing a winter moisturizer for oily skin which is damaged, and the product that I want to recommend is the Formula RX Barrier Relief Cream. Again, this product is amazing. It has very simple formulation, has only ingredients that are needed to repair your skin barrier. It contains various types of ceramide to effectively work on your skin. It does contain fatty acid and cholesterol and other skin calming ingredient. So if you need a lightweight like gel cream sort of product to repair your skin barrier during this winter time, definitely check it out. I highly recommend it. And next I will be sharing winter moisturizer for oily skin that needs some calming effect on the skin. And the first product is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream, and this product has watery gel cream sort of texture and feels absolutely lightweight and non-sticky on the skin, but sufficiently works in calming your skin. And when you look at the ingredient list of this product, it mainly contains 5 different types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, and it does contain Centella asiatica, allantoin, panthenol, and all the skin calming ingredients. So if you have oily skin and you need something which is lightweight and is hydrating and calming on your skin, definitely check this one out. And this is available in 2 different sizes. Like I have the mini over here. Like I knew this product is going to be very lightweight for my skin, but I still bought it during the monsoon time to test it out on my skin. And yes, I feel that oily skin people will definitely love it. And I do know that some of you out there are sensitive to concentrated hyaluronic acid products, like your skin get irritated or red with the hyaluronic acid based product. Then the next product is for you, and the product is the Innisfree Aloe Revita Sleeping Pack. And I know this is a sleeping pack, but if you have used this product or if you have watched my previous video, we all know that this product can safely be used as your regular moisturizer because of the simple formulation. It does not contain any essential oil, it does not contain any carrier oil. It mainly contains aloe extract and medicassoside, which is the centella derivative, to calm your skin. So a perfect pocket friendly and skin calming lightweight winter moisturizer for oily skin. Next I will be sharing winter moisturizer for oily skin that additionally helps in adding that glow on your skin. And the first product in this category is the Bivistrin Vitamin 75 Maximizing Cream. I don't have the product with me at the moment. Like, this is one of the favorite product of my mom. She has used up so many tubs of it, and I have talked about this product in my old video, but I'm gonna do it again because I'm making this video. So this product has that gel cream sort of texture. It feels lightweight but still moisturizing enough for the oily skin during the winter time. And what makes this product special is it contains ingredient, you know, like which boost the performance of the vitamin C serum. So if you are on the lookout for a lightweight winter moisturizer which is not only brightening in nature but also boost the performance of your vitamin C serum, then this is the product for you. And the next product which I want to mention in this segment, it is the Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 All-in-One Cream. Now this product needs no introduction. It is loved by many people out there. People love it because it mainly contains snail mucin, has the main ingredient in it. I love this product because gradually, for sure, it works in lightening the acne scar. It gives you that healthy skin. It adds that even tone effect on your skin. So yeah, oily skin people, if you have been missing out on this product for the remaining part of the year, this is the time for you. Definitely use it. The next product which I will be mentioning in this segment, it is the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. And this cream has that watery gel cream sort of texture, but it is very rich and viscous. Like, it is lighter than the conventional viscous cream but richer than the gel cream. So that's how the texture of this product is. And the best thing about this product is it is very multitasking in nature. It contains 3 different types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, and it actually feels quite hydrating on the skin. And it also contains rice water to brighten up your skin. It does contain niacinamide, ginseng extract, and many more amazing ingredients to help with your skin. So if you have oily skin and you are in a lookout for a product which is hydrating, quite nourishing, and adds that glow on your skin, then this is the product for you. You should definitely check it out for this winter time. And also I want to mention that, you know, whenever you're picking out a moisturizer, like not just moisturizer, any product, it depends a lot, you know, on your skin type, your personal preference, like what's the humidity in your city, what kind of lifestyle you spend, what's your budget and everything. So a lot of factors play the role in picking the right product for you. So this is why, you know, many times I mention so many products so that you all have many good options to choose from. And yeah, so if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.